Hey, this is a video how to remove the door glass window on a 2006 Mercedes S500. This is a front right side, and you have to take apart the door panel. We already got that. There's other videos about how to remove the door panel. We're just going to show you how to get the glass off once you get the door panel off. So we're going to remove the window actuator. I'll show you right now. We're using a T27 Torx. There's 3 screws holding it. So once we remove it, it's going to loosen up the window so we could slide it up and down easily. And I'll show you why we're doing that. Okay, so now you're able to slide it by hand. And we're trying to aim it to this hole right here. Okay, and same thing on that. And there is and it's a T27 Torx. Okay, so it's a T27 Torx. Thought it was a 30 for a second, but it's a T27. And you're not going to be able to remove the screws unless you line up the glass right here. So you expose the screws on both sides. So on that side as well. Okay. We are going to remove this weather strip, the outside one. And sometimes it falls apart in 2 pieces, so you're going to have to remove both of them. And then just slide out the glass at an angle. Okay, so this is the glass. That's the brackets.